Hello, this is Sultana Raza, and I'm coming today with a new poem called The Greenery of Nature. It is in the voice of a character called True Seeress, which I have created. So, Greenery of Nature. So, as you wander around in a park or the forest or a garden, O wanderer, stop to smell the leaves. Stop to really contemplate a leaf, a bush, a shrub, a tree. If there are flowers, you can send positive thoughts to them. Let the subtle energy of the greenery surround you. Feel free to meditate in this beautiful verdant place. Look at the emerald green and let it soothe your tired eyes. You can also breathe in deeply. All the subtle scents of the different plants, the flowers, the leaves, which are healing in nature. Bathe in these molecules that we cannot see, but which are around us. This is nature's original pharmacy that can help us if we allow it. Be mindful even of the little weeds, the beautiful weeds that are scattered across your path. And as you touch a leaf or as you hug a tree, feel the force of life pulsating through them, the same force of life that animates you. And we can thank the trees and the leaves for turning carbon dioxide into oxygen, to giving us pure air to breathe, to purifying and cleansing our planet, and doing all this silently with no expectation of any thanks. And yet we can take a few moments to thank them with our thoughts, to cultivate our own gardens, to water them lovingly, to grow our own food if necessary, to thank the vegetables and fruits that we consume, and sometimes to run barefoot and to just experience the joy of belonging in this verdant paradise that we call Earth. Thank you.